All right, guys, so I got this truck in yesterday. This is a truck I did about 6 months ago. It had a bad oil cooler after an EGR cooler repair. It also had 2 bad injectors. Replaced the injectors, serviced the other 6 injectors, all the O-rings, standpipes, dummy plugs, did the STC fitting, resealed the top because there was an enormous oil leak. Was already doing his oil cooler anyways, did his front plate, did a bunch of work to this thing. Guy calls me yesterday and tells me about a hot no start. Look at the codes I discovered. I was thinking it was a comeback, but I don't think it is. Here's the codes. That's going to be his problem, his camshaft. It's creating a camshaft sensor. It's creating a hot no start, and I'll show you guys why. Customer stated that first thing yesterday morning, he had a hard start about 10 seconds long. Have some of the PIDs that I need just for this first initial check. 59 degrees outside. Let's see what happens.